There is a species of bacteria called Wolbachia that naturally manipulates the reproduction of mosquitoes, such as causing all offspring to be born female or by preventing eggs from hatching at all. Mosquitoes are the most useless bug on the planet, and they are responsible for a ton of deaths and illness every year due to a long list of devastating diseases. The worst of these diseases is malaria. Globally, in 2024, there were 282 million cases of malaria, 95% of which were in Africa, and 610,000 deaths, 75% of which were children under 5. Malaria has undoubtedly shaped the world as we know it today due to its prevalence and lack of a vaccine until very recently. In 1971, it was discovered that if a male Culex mosquito that was infected with Wolbachia mated with a female that did not have an infection, all the eggs that were fertilized died. This is called cytoplasmic incompatibility, and it's possible because the preferred organs that Wolbachia likes to colonize are the testes and the ovaries. Presence of Wolbachia can also control the sex of any eggs that do hatch, either by killing all the male eggs or by inducing parthenogenesis, where the females can reproduce without fertilization. This is something that Wolbachia can also do in the Trichogramma parasitoid wasps, a species where males are rare simply because they're not necessary. This cytoplasmic incompatibility is a type of natural birth control, and scientists are exploiting it to try and control the mosquito populations so that incidence of diseases like malaria, West Nile, Zika, and dengue hopefully go down. What they do is they infect the male mosquitoes in a lab and release them into nature so that when the Wolbachia-free wild females mate with a lab-reared infected male, no eggs hatch. Female mosquitoes are the only ones that bite and transmit disease, and since they only live about 2 weeks, over time, this will help reduce the populations of Aedes and Anopheles mosquitoes and thus the transmission of disease. It's the best option that we have right now because it doesn't involve radiation or pesticides or anything else that the mosquitoes can evolve resistance to, and it's also not harmful to humans or the environment. The symbiosis of Wolbachia and mosquitoes evolved naturally, and so I like to think that it's Mother Nature's way of trying to correct the mistake of having created mosquitoes in the first place.